Let's talk about kids who don't know how to play and what you can do about it. Play is something that mammals, believe it or not, research tells us that play is something that we are wired to do. Even like lions out on the prairie, they play. It's what we do. And with humans and with our kiddos in school especially, play is where you learn your executive functioning skills. And we always talk about kids who don't have executive functioning skills. Boundaries, planning, timing, perseverance, creativity, all of these things are learned through play. And the more we have taken away play in exchange for curriculum time, we've actually seen an uptick in behaviors. So how do we solve this problem? Well, bring play more into the day. And it means having open conversations about what play is providing. I believe we need to change the term recess into something more of a prerequisite for the executive functioning skills needed for the reading curriculum this afternoon. Wouldn't that change people's perception? Because recess is not a useless time. It's a time when kids are actually learning a lot. Recently, I've had some teachers who have switched their morning meeting time into 15 minutes of play. So when kids come in the morning, they're coming in from breakfast, or some kids wander in late, and they go right to play. And what they've seen is many of our younger kids are actually coming in more on time. They're saying to their parents, let's go, I want to get to school, because the first thing they're going to do in the morning is play. So there's a real shift there. If you introduce a little more play throughout the day, even if it's just 10-minute windows here and there, you can see a lot better results. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.